Some athletics news now. World and Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson suffered an upset in the men's 60 meters at the Bauhaus indoor gala in Stockholm, Sweden on Thursday. Thompson had to settle for third in the event behind the Great Britain pair of Jeremiah Azu and the winner, the Jamaican-born Ramel Glaive.
So here we are, they all get away quickly. Kishane Thompson trying to lead. Toby Smith came late in the heat. Oh, it's Glaive. Glaive does exactly what he did in the heat.
Thompson clocked 6.56 behind Azu 6.54 and Glaive a meet record 6.51. Another Jamaican, Rohan Watson, was 7th. Meanwhile, in the women's 60 meters, Tokyo World Championship sprint relay silver medalist Janelle Smith upstaged her more fancied compatriots and MVP teammates, World Championship 100-meter silver medalist Tina Clayton and twin sister Tia. Smith left it late but came through at the end to clock a meet record 7.12 for victory ahead of Tina and Tia, who were both credited with 7.14. Meanwhile, many-time national champion Danielle Thomas Dodd also won the women's shot put with a record meet performance. Thomas Dodd registered a record 19 meters flat to win the event.
Oh, it's going to be a better mark than we've seen. World at Challenge, 19 meters. She's been striving for that mark all competition long, and you knew it was in there. And I think the fact that Roos didn't challenge on that 6th round just took the...
Right then, we'll take a break from the sector and come back with lots more. Stay tuned.